rent-to-own condo in Santa Mesa, Manila.
Good day guys! Naghahanap ka ba ng condo investment na pwede gawing rental business like Airbnb or long-term, short-term lease? Tara, tulungan kita. Here in Covent Garden in Santa Mesa, Manila, Santon Exit, 5 minutes walk from LRT 2B Maples Station, 5 minutes walk in Santa Mesa, 6 minutes walk to SM Santa Mesa, also near University. Saan natin ang 2-bedroom unit. Tara, samahan nyo. Pagpasok ng unit guys, first is bukad sa atin itong malawak na living area and napakagandang view. Next here is napaka-spacious na main room with a nice view also and nalagay rin shower. Comes with modern design, one lavatory and rain shower. Then itong room 2 guys also have a beautiful city view and also spacious. Next is yung kitchen area natin, stainless sink,